Hello, today we will guide you through how to cancel Zoom subscription. To begin, open your web browser and go to Zoom Home. Make sure you are signed in to the correct Zoom account before continuing, especially if you manage more than one account or belong to multiple workspaces. Starting from the home area helps ensure you are navigating from the main account dashboard where billing settings are available. Once you are on the Zoom homepage, look toward the navigation menu on the left side of the screen. You'll want to scroll down through that left-hand panel until you can see the lower menu options. If the menu looks collapsed or shortened, give yourself a moment to scan carefully, since some account settings are listed farther down than the most commonly used meeting tools. After scrolling down the left navigation, find and click on Admin. This section is where Zoom places the account-level settings used for managing subscriptions, billing details, and other administrative controls. If you do not see the admin option, it may mean your account permissions are limited or that you are signed into an account that does not have administrative access. In that case, you may need to switch to the correct account before moving forward. Inside the admin area, click on Plans and Billing. This is the section where Zoom organizes everything related to your subscription, including your current plan information and billing preferences. Take a moment here to confirm that you're in the right place, since this area is specifically tied to your paid services and account plan details. Next, click on Plan Management. This is the menu you'll use to manage your active Zoom subscription. From here, you can review the plan currently attached to your account and continue with the cancellation process based on the options Zoom provides on that page. As you go through these screens, it's a good idea to read each page carefully before confirming anything. Some subscriptions remain active until the end of the billing cycle, while others may show renewal timing or count changes that take effect later. Reviewing those details can help you avoid surprises. That's it for reaching the subscription management area in Zoom. By following these steps, you'll be in the correct location to proceed with canceling your Zoom subscription from your account settings.